Hey guys, I just wanted to create this quick screencast on this tool that I've been using, and I thought it could help us with our kind of internal knowledge management. I couldn't install it on the server, so it only runs on my machine because it uses PHP, but I figured I'd just create a quick video to show you the basics just to see if you guys are interested, and then if you like it, maybe we can do a test installation somewhere. So this is just running on my local machine here, and it just reminded me the other day because Jason had sent out this list of tasks. So it's a project of all his special projects and processes that he does for customers. So I figured this would be a good place to start because this should be in a place where everyone can access it, and he doesn't have to really worry when he's out of the office. We all know where to go. So this is the registration email. This is just when I created users, everyone gets this. So it's going to bring you into this page right here. So this is called Open Atrium. It's actually just part of the system called Drupal, which is a content management system, but this one, it's a custom profile made for intranets, so to help companies kind of run themselves. So this is just the main splash page. This would be kind of locked down if you wanted this to all be private, but I can click the login button here. And I can sign in. And you can see we can kind of have some customizability over how it looks, but for now we're just going to kind of focus on the functionality. So now it knows who I am. It has the recent activity that's been going on in the company, so people updating things and stuff like that. And then it has my groups over here, so we can have kind of separate people into groups just to kind of limit what you can see. So right now I'm going to focus on the developer stuff because that's what Jason's task was about. So we're going to click on this, and it's going to bring me into the developers portal. So now there's a whole separate section of the site just for the developers. You can see there's an introductory video on how to use it, some comments, the recent activity, but we have some additional features like a blog. So it's our internal blog that we can talk to each other on. A notebook, this is the key one that I'm going to talk about. To do, this is like a project case tracker type thing, so I don't know if we want to disable that, but we also have a shout box, which is kind of just a way to talk with people quickly online, kind of like an internal Twitter. A group calendar, which is kind of cool. We could set up just like an iCal feed with all kind of events that we should all know about. And that's pretty much it. So for now, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to talk about the notebook. So when you click on this, this is just a way for people to just kind of do a knowledge dump. So anything that is in your head, you can just come in here and type it up. You can add videos, images, step-by-step processes, anything you want in here. So I kind of just started with a couple small ones. Customer-specific processes is one category. Developer pages, which is I could have my own, Jason would have his, Adam, Ed, and anything that's particular to our situation. And then here I have the development guidelines. We could have the process of setting up source control, developer conventions, all those kind of things. So for now, I'm going to focus on the customer-specific processes, and this is just kind of the main section, but we want to add a new page here. So I'm going to click on Add a Child page because I'm going on vacation, and I want to tell people how to load the Aston trades. So I'm going to set up a new page, and I'm just going to copy this right out of the tasks. All right, so I'll just do a quick cleanup here. We can go over this formatting. It's actually very simple, but you can do some kind of customization on how it looks. But it's actually pretty intelligent, so we'll just stick for that for now. Alright, so we want everyone to be able to see this. I'm going to click Preview. And here it is. So we kind of have this whole overview, checklist of what to do, all the resources you need. We can even add videos, so like a how-to video. You could attach script files, anything you want really. So I think that's kind of cool. So we're going to save this. And so here's this new informational page. Has everything you need to know. So now this will always be here under the Aston Daily Trades. And there's this URL you can send out to the entire group when you go out, or you can have under your Jason's specific page. He can have a list of all the things that he does and just link to all these different pages. And if we go back to the main notebook here, so anytime anyone logs in, you're going to see right here that that I updated the Aston Daily Trade. So this is kind of when you log in, you can see at a glance what's going on. So We can touch on some of the other things later, but for now I think that's the most simple use case, and we can see if this might be able to help us. And we can actually talk about this thing in particular, this answers, which we can actually open up to our customers if we wanted, where it does, it's like a forum, but you can mark certain answers as being the correct answers, and the good ones rise to the top. It's kind of like a support thing that we could offer. So, but for now, I just want to keep it simple, and let me know what you think.